Oh, it's finally here. So much paper. Ah, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Damn, this box has seen it. Holy. But it's fine, because it's here. Damn, this box has really been through it. Holy. Jeez. Okay, let's see. Comes with everything though. So, manual, sleeve to hold it, and it looks like it's brand new. Well, not brand new, but like unused. Oh baby, look at her. She's ginormous. Where's my back cap? Why did the back cap come off? Dude. She's seen some stuff. Why the hell did my back cap come off? Okay, well, look at freaking how this got some heft to it too. Yeah, baby. Okay, let's put this back cap on. Man, even the back cap's seen some stuff. It's a little loose, but it's okay. Got some scratches and pretty damn dusty in this box somehow. But, it'll be okay. Okay, now for the extension. This one. Come on. Boom. Oh, the whole thing comes apart. Okay. And there it is. Such a little thing, but it costs so much, even though it's used. Interesting. I actually don't even know what that is. Guess we're gonna find out. Awesome. So let's put all this together. So we dusted off a little bit, took off the lens hood. This thing is massive. I can fit it as a bracelet. This is the lens in all its glory. Dusted off a little bit. So let's put it all together. Let me do this actually. So we got our body, T5. Take off our 16 to 50. Hold on, let's see. So this is our 1.4 teleconverter. Bingo bango, little dealy doo. Now we can throw our lens together. You can probably tell, like, if you look here, you can see it's a little dinged up. It's been around. I got it used on MPB, not sponsored. Sponsor me. So let's throw this on here. Boom! Holy man. That is hefty as all get out. Damn. Yeah, that's a beast. Very, very heavy. And now we have 100 to 400. Yes, it's a little, and that's going to change also because of the teleconverter right here. It's going to take us to stop down, so it's fine though. And then look at this. Check this out. Womp. 0. Womp. 0. Womp. 0. Super long. Super mega long. But it's real deal. We're gonna get some mad bird shots with this thing, I'm telling you now. And then you can throw our hood on and make it even more giant, massive. Holy. Look at that thing. Now compared to my arm, sheesh. That's huge. It's literally as long as my arm, my forearm. Crazy. Can't wait to go play with this and get all the birds and everything. So exciting. Can't wait. There's gonna be good stuff coming.